So Rachel, how do you like this neck pillow?
We love our neck pillows from TOPABYTE. We've been using them for a long time and they've just sent us some new ones. These comfy neck pillows from TOPABYTE were sent to us before we had our white interior. We used to have black interior, as you can see, and these white seat covers are beautiful. We love them, but these neck pillows don't match anymore. So we've got some new ones that match. Here is one of the new pillows. It comes with a little zip plastic cover. I guess if you want to store them, you could save that. These are so simple to install. We just have this elastic band here. I like to let it out as far as it'll go. And you can see this one is molded. It's a little bit fancier than the ones we have. And I guess we'll just install those.
It's also ventilated.
Yeah. Matches the seats really well. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and install this. I'm not sure exactly which way it's supposed to go, but I'm going to try it this way first. I'm just going to slip that elastic band right on over the top of the headrest. Slide it down, and sure looks good. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, that's actually okay. It's pretty comfortable. I think you're supposed to put your head here,
that way, yeah.
But that does not feel as good to me because I like a lot of neck support. I'm weird. So I think probably I would want it like that. Now Luke is going to open up his pillow, which is identical. There it is. Beautiful. Thank you, Vanna. Go ahead and slip that elastic band. Oop. Getting out of the car to be able to reach better. Slip it right over the headrest. Look how nice that looks. And how does it feel?
That's too low.
Too low.
But right there, that's quite nice.
Very comfy. Quite nice, he says. Now, one of the things that was less than ideal about the old ones was that in the summer it was a little bit hot. They had a solid face and they didn't have the ventilation. These have these perforated leather bands, and it should feel a lot more comfortable in the summertime. Let's try it the other way. We don't really know how they were designed to be done, so we're just guessing, but let's see how it feels with the fat part on the top. What do you think, Luke?
You could use it this way, but I think it felt better to me the other way.
All right, felt better the other way. There you have it from the horse's mouth. If you would like to get some pillows just like this for your Tesla, you can click the link that's in the description below this video. And if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll get 20% off your purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.